So now I'm going to get into what you asked. So when somebody comes in and you're going to intake them in as a client, they've hired you, like what's your process, and maybe in a broad stroke?
Yeah, in a broad stroke, I guess we kind of get 50-50 because we get some clients that come in and there's things on fire. So we just have to take action. It's like, oh my gosh, I just
No, that doesn't happen. What are you talking about?
never, right? Never. Those are our fun days. Like I thrive on that. It's really weird, but it's just like I'm like, oh my gosh, it's like it's a problem. I have to solve it. But yeah, sometimes we just get like, I just got this lawsuit in the mail, and what do I do? So it's like, oh my gosh, like now let's ask all the questions and let's connect you with an attorney who can help and support you. But in a typical world or in a good place, we like to start with an HR audit or HR assessment. And what that is, and the reason why we like to start there is because you don't know what you don't know, right? And HR is that type of field where, again, you don't know what you don't know. So we do an HR assessment where we do like an overview of the basic things that you would need to have in HR. So we go over the organization, we go over hiring and, recruitment process. We go over policies and procedures, the things that you have in place. And we educate our clients on what that is and what the law says. And then we prioritize it based on what that company need is. So for instance, if we have a client that they're fully staffed, they're not looking to hire anyone, then maybe the hiring process wouldn't be high on their priority. But now they're not being productive. So now we need to focus and put training as a high priority. So we customize our HR solutions. It doesn't come out of the box ready to plug and play. We feel like even though you're the same, you could possibly be the same industry, you're not the same company because you have different people. So we really, during this HR assessment, tailor your HR needs and goals to you. So we prioritize that. We give that to our client, and then we start to have a conversation about what fee package will work best for you. Some of our clients are on an hourly or project base where it's just like, oh, we just have a few things that we need to tighten up. We can do that. Or let's just knock out this training, or let's knock out that. Or there may be some clients that need everything. So, start from finish. So it makes more sense for them to be on a monthly retainer. So we do that. And we do that like via Zoom. We spend about an hour or so going over that, talking about the packages. And then that's when we start to collect things like I said, we customize things. So we make sure we get your branding, we get your logo. We understand you as a client, your voice and your tone, because when we're writing your policies, employee handbook, and so on, we want it to represent you. So we have a few kickoff calls and meetings just to make sure we're all on the same page and understand where we want to start. And we kick it off. And then we meet the team, and now we're your HR consultant.